welcome back to my channel. It's your fave Dream coming to you with another wig review. And girl, sis got sponsored a wig today. So I'm going to be reviewing in this video a wig that I got from Divine Hair Rights. Isn't this package so cute? I'm so excited. This is the back of the box. So this is their handles and stuff like that. I'll leave all the deets in the description box below. You already know. I wanted to unbox this with y'all. So I got, oh, they sent me a little bonnet. Thank you, girl. Thank you. And of course, the hair in this little cute pouch that you could use for storage of the hair. Yeah, so they sent me a 18-inch, 13 by 6, 150% dense frontal lace wig. Body wave, girl. I don't have a body wave wig yet, so. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my goodness. Y'all are. This looks so good. This looks so good. Get into the wig with the baby hairs. Okay. Look at the lace. It looks so full. So the cap comes constructed like this. All right, so you got the 13 by 6 lace front up here. 2 combs, 1, 2, comb right here, number 3. No comb right here in the back, but there are adjustable straps. Okay, so I'm about to go install this and be right back. Okay, babe, so I'm back with my lace finally melted. I did some makeup for you guys, changed my fit a little bit. And yeah, before I do anything else to the hair, I just wanted to show you guys how the lace laid for me. Look at this. This feels so full. And let me tell you, they was not lying with the parting. 13 by 6 for real. Look at that. Look at that parting. I'm loving it. Like, this hair feels so good. Look at that. Alright, babe, so we're at the part of the video where I remind you guys to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, so help your good sis out. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and click that subscribe button, the notification bell too. Thank you. So I am back with this cute little half of ninja bun. I wanted to come and show you guys that there are other ways that you can style your hair besides that out of the box quick curl with the part in the middle. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of other hairstyles that you could rock with this hair or any hair that you're wearing. Okay, babe, so that was 6 different ways that you could style this hair. Let me know what you guys think about my hairstyles in the comment box below. This hair does not shed, it does not tangle, and it is super easy to manipulate. So shout out to Divine Hair Rights for providing this bomb unit for me. I am so grateful. This is definitely some top quality virgin Brazilian hair. I'll leave all the information as well as my coupon code for this hair in the description box below. Shout out to Black Array for providing this cute crop top. I'm gonna leave all their information in my description box below. So don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you've done that already, just click on that notification bell. Thank you. Bye.